Ever pondered the artistry behind those perfectly aligned, radiant smiles? Embark on a captivating journey with Smile Avenue Family Dentistry as we unveil the intricate world of dental craftsmanship. Discover the precision and passion that transforms oral health and aesthetics one dazzling smile at a time. Step into our cutting-edge dental lab where innovation meets expertise. Our highly trained dental technicians create custom dental solutions using advanced technology. From routine cleanings to complex restorations, every procedure is executed with utmost precision, ensuring you leave with more than a smile. You leave with a masterpiece.
Crafting the perfect smile is an intricate art form filled with unseen challenges. We navigate the delicate balance between aesthetics and function, overcoming diverse oral health backgrounds and unique structural complexities. Behind every seamless restoration lies a meticulous process of customization, highlighting our unwavering commitment to conquering dental craftsmanship's hidden hurdles.
Neglecting dental care extends beyond aesthetics, triggering a ripple effect on overall health and confidence. Untreated oral issues can escalate into significant concerns affecting digestion, speech, and self-esteem. Our mission educates patients on these implications, emphasizing that a healthy smile is foundational for a radiant appearance and maintaining life's quality.
At Smile Avenue Family Dentistry, we harness innovative techniques and personalized care to craft smiles that transform lives. A renewed smile unlocks newfound confidence, improves health, and opens doors to previously unimaginable opportunities. Let us guide you on this journey to elevate not only your smile, but your life in profound ways.